NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.2, Question number 2. Point P minus 4, 2 lies on the line segment joining the points A minus 4, 6 and B minus 4, minus 6. We have to check if this statement is true or false. Let us find the answer. We are given points A and B that form the line segment and a point P that lies on this line segment. If P lies on the line segment joining the points A and B, then we know that the area of the triangle ABP is 0. If we can verify this area, then we can say that the given statement is true. Otherwise, it is false. Now let us see what is the area of the triangle. Let us consider that the point A is x1, y1, point B is x2, y2, and point P is x3, y3. And what is the area of triangle formula when we are given 3 points? Area is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. Now let us substitute the given points in this formula. 1 by 2 modulus of x1 is minus 4 of y2 is minus 6 minus y3 is 2 plus x2 is minus 4 of y3 is 2 minus y1 is 6 plus x3 is minus 4 of y1 is 6 minus y2 is minus 6. It is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of minus 4 of minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8 plus of minus 4 is minus 4, 2 minus 6 is minus 4 plus of minus 4 is minus 4, 6 minus of minus 6 is 12. Now let us simplify this. 1 by 2 modulus of minus 4 times minus 8 is 32, minus 4 times minus 4 is plus 16, minus 4 times 12 is minus 48. That is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of 32 plus 16 minus 48 is 0. That is equal to 0. Therefore, area of the triangle ABP is 0. We have already seen that if area of this triangle is 0, then we can conclude that P lies on the line segment joining the points A and B. Therefore, the given statement is true. The point P lies on the line segment joining the points A and B.